Welcome to Kiddo English Hub Educational Channel.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
She drinks milk.
She drinks milk.
They play cricket.
They play cricket.
He runs fast.
He runs fast.
I read a book.
I read a book.
You write a story.
You write a story.
We sing a song.
We sing a song.
She jumps high.
She jumps high.
He draws a car.
He draws a car.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
You clean the room.
You clean the room.
They dance happily.
They dance happily.
He opens the door.
He opens the door.
She closes the window.
She closes the window.
I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
You stand up.
You stand up.
We walk to school.
We walk to school.
They ride a bike.
They ride a bike.
He kicks the ball.
He kicks the ball.
She throws the ball.
She throws the ball.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
You cook rice.
You cook rice.
They eat lunch.
They eat lunch.
He brushes his teeth.
He brushes his teeth.
She combs her hair.
She combs her hair.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
You feed the dog.
You feed the dog.
We clap our hands.
We clap our hands.
They shout loudly.
They shout loudly.
He laughs at the joke.
He laughs at the joke.
She cries softly.
She cries softly.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
You wake up early.
You wake up early.
We draw pictures.
We draw pictures.
They build a tower.
They build a tower.
He cuts the paper.
He cuts the paper.
I tie my shoes.
I tie my shoes.
You wear a cap.
You wear a cap.
We open our books.
We open our books.
They close their bags.
They close their bags.
He listens to music.
He listens to music.
She looks at the stars.
She looks at the stars.
I count the apples.
I count the apples.
You touch the wall.
You touch the wall.
We paint the wall.
We paint the wall.
They make a cake.
They make a cake.
He helps his mom.
He helps his mom.
He finds a coin.
He finds a coin.
I hold the cup.
I hold the cup.
You pick a flower.
You pick a flower. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe to our channel.